This review is of Baker's 56% cacao semi-sweet chocolate. I know you're thinking, well, why are you doing this? This one is always in the baking aisle. So what? It's a sweetened chocolate. It falls into the category that I'm looking for. It's parve, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Let's see, is there anything else? Don't worry, I don't have COVID-19 and you're not going to get sick from me. I know, I'm being a wise guy. Doesn't have milk. The chocolate doesn't appear to have been processed with alkali, which is great. Good for you, bakers. Is there anything else? Nope, I don't see anything. So there are that's all the information on the top. And then there are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Let's see, where is there? Oh, okay. Open it from the bottom. And it looks like, oh, kind of attractive. It gives you bars of 1/4 ounce each, with one of them has a picture of a lady in an old-fashioned dress, appears to be, and the other one says 1/4 ounce Bakers. And then you can see from the back side, you can see how there's the rippling effect. They clearly must have decided to pour the chocolate when it was a little bit on the cool side, so it went in more slowly. I'm not sure why. If anybody is an expert on chocolate and can tell me the difference between chocolate that's been rippled in like that, where it's a lower temperature, and chocolate where there's still air bubbles in it, versus chocolate that where you look smooth on the back. If there's any differences in the process or any reasons that they would do it one way or the other, I'd be interested in hearing it. So let's. Sorry, playing with my cat. Sweet, chocolatey. And it does have vanilla, which I can taste. So it's a nice chocolate. Obviously, the vanilla that's in it gives it kind of an edge flavor-wise. But even if it didn't have that, you know, it's still, I don't know. It's not something that most of these chocolates that I have been tasting for this competition are not chocolates I would not eat, except for the ones that have milk in them. But at the same time, they're not like my favorites, because usually I steer toward the 70% chocolates. I just wanted to give a wide range of chocolates for all of you. Yeah, so it's good chocolate, nice stepping stone if you want to go up into the 60s and 70% chocolates. And that's about all I can say about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.